Hi, we got a limited edition review. Coca-Cola Y3000. I don't know what Y3000 is. It says, look at this, guys, I'm not even kidding you. Futuristic flavored. Anyways, if you want to read all of that. So we'll have to see what this is like. Let's get real nice and close. No spill. Let's see what this tastes like. Kind of hard to describe, actually. It's like the only time I've seen like they've done like one of these reviews where like I don't know how to describe the flavor. It's like Coca-Cola, but with like something else in it. I can't tell. But how does this stack up to regular original Coca-Cola? Honestly, I'd say it's about the same. So, Coca-Cola Y3000 gets a 7 out of 10. Hope y'all enjoyed. Peace out.